Hey, how you doing? Rambler here. Beautiful hot day, plus 15. Oh, it is? Holy cow. Wow. It's cooled off quite a bit. Anyway, just heading out for a bit. Little update. I brought the phone in, and it's going to cost more than the sucker's worth to get it fixed, in my opinion. Maybe not to a professional, but in my opinion, it's going to cost more than what it should be. But it's getting fixed. So, and as far as everything else is good. Just relaxing, taking it easy today. So, got rid of some pop bottles that I was carrying around. Had a big bag of them, about 30 bucks worth, and I just gave them away. So, doing what I can to help others out. That's what it's about in this world, isn't it? Being kind and being nice. So, anyhow, thought I'd just touch base. Hopefully you're having a good day like I am. Stay safe out there. Ladies, this is directed at you. Please be safe in all regards that you can. There seems to be a lot of femicide and other things that are ramping up in both Canada and the United States and Mexico, as well as European countries. So please be safe when you're out there, doing whatever you got to do every day. And that's just the air conditioner in the background, that whistling noise that you're hearing. I'm just going to turn it down a bit here. There we go. And other than that, it's a beautiful not hot, but a beautiful warm day. And I'm just about to head out. And you do likewise. Enjoy your day and have fun. Okay, take care. God bless.